Part 4, legal prescriptions. Al-Taza Mata Sharia, and A, criminal code. 1, sedition. Famema ta'alaqa bil amura. There's not diacritical marks, so I'm not entirely sure. Al Jannaiya Ma'asaitalaha or Rasul. Okay, so it's according to what has been revealed and inspired. And we start here, 3 people around a table with books and 3 shelves in the background. Wala naktumu anat huwat wahia yaktum hule qafuhu bemu afalabu. I'm not sure about what it says right there, but above the woodcut design. Ennama ja'u ladina yukharibuna Allah wa rasulahu wa yasqawna fil ardi fasadan an yuqatalu aw yusallabu aw tuqata aydihim warjuluhum min khilafin aw yunfaw min al-ardi dhalika lahum khizyun fi dunya wa lahum fil akhirati adhabun azim. Surah 5, Ayat 33. The penalty for those who make war against God and his prophet and strive after disorder upon the earth is that they shall be put to death, or crucified, or have 1 hand and 1 foot cut off on alternate sides. It's in the plural, so. Or that they shall be banished from the land. This will be a disgrace from them in this world, whilst in the next a terrible punishment awaits them. Now, the people who were killed this way, the example of those 2 people, they had robbed the state treasury and killed the guards. So it's not just, oh, you differ in religion or some other silly thing that some people are going to try to pull on you.